Hello there. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of how to upload photos to your website gallery in Godaddy. This comprehensive guide will ensure a smooth and stress-free experience, enhancing your website's visual appeal effortlessly. First, let's navigate to the Godaddy website, which offers a variety of services such as domain names, hosting, and online marketing tools. Once on the homepage, locate the Sign In button, typically found at the top right corner. Click on it to access the login page and enter your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to proceed. After signing in, head to your account dashboard by selecting the Godaddy option, which should be prominently displayed. Within your dashboard, locate the My Products section. Clicking on it will reveal a list of all your Godaddy products and services. From here, find the Websites Plus Marketing section and click on it to access your website's tools and settings. Once inside, you may see a button labeled Manage. Click this to enter your website management area. Locate the section that represents your website and select Edit Website, which allows you to customize and manage its features seamlessly. With the editor open, navigate to the Gallery section of your site. You will see a displayed photo in your gallery. Click on it to interact with the available image options and then hit Done. To add more photos, find the plus sign, which opens the option to upload new imagery. A highlighted indicator will appear when you hover over the gallery area, confirming you're in the right spot to take action. Select the image file you wish to upload from your device. Once uploaded, the image will appear in your gallery section. Click on it to select. And finally, ensure your newly uploaded image is part of your gallery by clicking on Add to Photo Gallery. This crucial step guarantees that your photo is saved and viewable to all visitors. And there you have it, a complete guide to uploading photos to your Godaddy website gallery. By following these concise steps, you can easily enhance your website's visual appeal and offer visitors a richer browsing experience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy creating!